Here's the ND filter I bought. It's a variable ND filter. You can adjust how much you want to filter. We're gonna test it on this the Samyang 35. Actually, I bought it for 35. It is 77 millimeter and doesn't fit my other lenses. So we're gonna test it out. First, I need to take off the lens hood because it doesn't work. You can't mount the filter when you have lens hood on, so that's something to keep in mind. Let me see, how do I? Alright, here we go. Okay, and here you can see the marks. Where's the, yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, here's the mark. So put here is the minimum, and if you go this way, it goes to maximum. Alright, interesting. So let's see the effect. Minimum, right now I'm at and let me set the ISO to 100 real quick. 100, there you go. Okay, now ISO 100. It's a little bit dark, but I think it's a pretty, yeah, it's a little bit underexposed right now. Oh. Yeah, there. You can see the histogram. So 1/2000 second shutter speed. Now let's move it to a little bit higher. It's gonna get dimmer and dimmer, darker and darker, to the maximum, and now you can't see anything. It's pretty much dark, just pitch dark right now. Let's put on the let's try to find the best shutter speed. I'm gonna lower the shutter speed a little bit. I'm gonna go 500. Is probably still a little bit slightly overexposed, but alright, we're gonna find a 1/50th second, the sweet spot for filmmaking. Alright. Okay. Wait. Did it adjust itself? Alright. There you go. Now it's slightly overexposed, but don't worry, we're gonna adjust this just a little bit more. Now it's at the maximum, and yeah, it's perfect. ISO 100, 1/50th second shutter speed. At the maximum, you get, yeah, the perfect exposure. Here is 0, so that's the test. All right, here's how it looks from the front.